In this video I'm gonna show you how we can scan documents on Samsung Galaxy A56 5G. So we're gonna go to the camera app, and what you can do is, first of all, we can check if in the camera settings we have document scanning enabled. Over here we have scan documents, it is on, so we are good to go. In the photo mode we can simply aim at the document that we want to scan. Then we can press this circle icon with the letter T. There we go. Unfortunately not text found, so let's give it another try. Perhaps this time it's gonna work. There we go, we have text selected, and we can press scan after that. And you should be able to capture the whole document. You can also crop it, I believe, a little bit. There we go. If you want to. And then we can press save. If you want to, you can also retake. And there we go, document saved. So that's pretty much it. This is how we can capture documents. There's also an option in the camera settings. If we go to scan documents and text, we have auto scan also that allows us to capture documents without pressing the shutter button. There we go, we have the command hold camera still, and we should be able to scan the document. There we go, let's press scan again. Then we can press save, and document saved. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!